vision plays an important role in the digital transformation of industrial manufacturing. To make vision applications easier, Hikrobot introduced the Industrial Vision Algorithm Development Platform, Vision Master. The VM algorithm platform features a visual graphical interface. This allows for the rapid development of visual process by simply dragging and dropping function modules, facilitating efficient solution verification and project implementation. In addition to the quick application mode, VM also has an integrated development mode and underlying design mode. VM offers a rich set of SDKs, which developers can flexibly call according to actual needs. To reduce the amount of software interface development, VM breaks down the user interface into reusable components. These components are packaged as interface controls that developers can directly integrate into their application. Furthermore, users can package their own custom algorithms. These encapsulated algorithms can be directly utilized in VM, demonstrating the openness of its modular framework. The VM algorithm platform features a wealth of algorithm modules and processing tools to meet various visual needs. Our algorithm performance is also industry-leading. VM offers deep learning and edge learning modules, and its online training platform facilitates the application of deep learning models. The VM platform comes with rich industrial communication protocols perfectly compatible with all kinds of industrial ports. The VM platform has rich application scenarios covering consumer electronics, new energy, automotive, logistics, food and pharmaceutical packaging, and other industries. In the consumer electronics industry, VM guides the alignment and fitting mechanism to improve assembly accuracy. In the photovoltaic and lithium battery industries, VM has made great progress in product defect inspection by combining AI with traditional algorithms, thus improving product quality. In the food and pharmaceutical production process, VM quickly identifies production information and barcodes to realize traceability. The VM algorithm platform empowers digital industrial